Who called? You called?
I called up this gentleman. Right.
What's up, man?
Hey, how you doing, Zach?
Are you hurt?
No, not really.
Did you witness this?
No.
No? Anybody around? Just you and him? All right. So what's going on, man?
I live upstairs and I'm trying to work. I had a phone call coming and this noise just keeps going and going and going. So I just was on the balcony and I was like, excuse me, like, can you make that noise stop? Because he wasn't in the vehicle, it wasn't moving or anything. Like, can you just make the noise stop? Like, I have to get on this phone call.
So, this call comes in as a noise complaint. Honestly, one of the most boring kinds of calls we get. A neighbor's leaf blower, a trash truck out front, somebody mowing too early on a Saturday. Normally we show up, we have the conversation, we're back in service within 15 minutes. But this one is not going to go anything like that.
People live up here and he just dismissed me, so I came down and I was like, can you please make this noise stop? And he's like, get the out of here. And I'm like, oh, I'll get the out of here. So I come around to the side. I didn't get in the vehicle, but it was slightly open, so I just stepped up and I shut it off one notch. Pulled me by my arm down, and he like held on to me really tight and like pulled me. And so I pushed him to get off of me, and then he punched me in the face.
Honestly, in 15 years, I've never seen somebody this confident she's the victim while describing herself committing a crime out loud. The wildest part is that she's the one who called the cops out here. She seems to genuinely think they're about to take her side once she explains it. That's not how any of this is going to play out.
You have your ID or anything on you?
I can go get it upstairs.
All right.
Like, that escalated
really quick.
extremely quick.
Can you go ahead and turn around for me really quick? I'm just going to detain you and put you in handcuffs, okay?
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Turn around, please.
Why? Is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke.
What is happening?
Like I said, I'm detaining you right now. You're not under arrest, but I'm just detaining you.
Okay.
Any statement can be and will be used against you in your court of law. Do you understand your rights, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So
What I don't understand is why I'm in handcuffs right now.
because you're detained, I'm by myself, and you came from your house down here because of a noise from the garbage truck, and you pushed this gentleman. Okay. Hold on. That's what you just told me. So I'm by myself. Hold on. I'm by myself, so I'm detaining you because I'm by myself. Okay. We got to cause a bar.
He's the one who punched me in the face.
Listen,
This doesn't make any sense.
All right.
Realistically, when somebody calls us about daytime noise, there's almost nothing we can actually do. Trash trucks, lawn mowers, leaf blowers, construction, all of that is legal during the day. It's written right into the city ordinance.
I asked you if you were hurt and did you need medics. I don't see any injuries on you, but from what you just told me, okay, you went and entered his car, his work vehicle.
I just
you
shut
turned
the
it
thing off.
Okay, can you shut the car off from the outside, ma'am?
I was standing on the thing and I pulled. Now I can't do anything, but I just shut it off. I didn't get in the vehicle. I just stepped on the thing and he grabbed me and pulled me down.
Okay,
and
I'll
so
be
I
right
pushed
back.
him
Okay,
off of me.
I'll be right back.
Here's something most people don't know about breaking and entering. You don't actually have to break anything. The legal threshold is just whether any part of you crossed into a space that wasn't yours. The door being open doesn't matter. The window being down doesn't matter. The moment she reached into that cab, the crime was already done.
This guy pulled me down off of the truck.
Because you got in his truck.
I didn't get in it. All I did was shut the one thing off.
You're just not going to accept the consequences of your actions, huh?
Is he gonna have any consequences?
He's protecting his truck. It's his property. Okay, well, he's finding that out. I just don't see what did you think was going to happen.
All I know is what happened was I shut off the truck and I go back in my house and get on my
What gives you that right? What gives you that right? I'm just curious what you think gives you the right.
I'm not an entitled person.
It sounds like it.
Why does she keep trying to argue her way out of this? She seems to think there's some hand-only version of trespass that's somehow less of a crime. There isn't. The law treats reaching in and climbing in exactly the same.
For you to reach into someone's truck, that's asinine, in my opinion. It's a crime.
I didn't even get in the truck. I didn't vandalize it. I shut it off.
Trespassing, at least.
I live here.
The entitlement on this one is something else. In her world, the only thing that matters is whatever is inconveniencing her. The truck was loud, she had a phone call, and apparently that's the entire legal theory. The idea that other people might also have a right to do their job on a public street doesn't seem to enter the picture.
Okay, we'll find out.
I grabbed her, pulled her down, so you don't supposed to be in the truck at all.
Okay.
And she hit her stuff in the mouth, that's when you just punched me.
Okay.
Really, lady?
At any point did you hit her? Okay. So let me ask you this. Did she put any hands on you or did she touch you at all?
She pushed me.
She pushed you? How did she push you? In the chest?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt at all?
No.
All right, so man, you're gonna be placed on arrest today for simple battery.
He hit me. Are you kidding me?
No, ma'am.
He punched me in the face, and I'm the one that's going to jail. I've got my 2 dogs upstairs. I have to pee. I have to call work.
The moment it actually sinks in is golden. Her dogs are upstairs. She has to pee. She has to call work. She's standing in handcuffs trying to negotiate her way back to a normal afternoon, like the officer is going to check her calendar and reconsider.
This is insane to me right now, and nothing's happened. He's a grown man who punched a woman in the face.
Like I told you earlier, I still don't understand what you.
I don't
why
understand
you
why
think?
you.
Hold on a second. I don't understand why you think you have the right to go into someone else's
I
property.
didn't go into it. I just shut it off 1 notch to shut the noise
You're
off.
lucky. I'll be honest with you. You're lucky you're not going to jail for stealing a vehicle, because technically.
Joking me?
No.
That is so extra.
Well, so listen, so I know it's a lot going on, but I need you to calm down.
My dog's upstairs
All right.
like that.
Okay,
No, I
so-
cannot calm down. He punched me in the face.
Hold on. If that was a police car and we had sirens on there, would you come down there and do the same thing you did to that car?
I'm not a police car. I'm not an idiot.
Okay. Well, I'm just letting you know, when you trespassed inside the work vehicle.
I didn't go in it. My arm was in it at the most.
Okay.
I was still on this bottom rung.
Okay. Well, I'm just telling you right now, based on
Are
what
you laughing with him? He punched me in the face.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
He punched me in the face, and you're over there laughing with him. And
You don't know
nothing's
what I
gonna
was
happen?
doing. I'm sorry, where are your shoes?
Well, they're upstairs. I live here.
Okay.
Yes, nobody does. He punched me in the face.
You're missing everything before
No,
that.
you're missing the punch in the face. I've never been punched in the face in my life.
And listen to her tell the officer she's never been punched in the face in her entire life. That tells you exactly how she ended up here. Most people learn pretty young that climbing onto a stranger's truck has consequences. She apparently did not.
Wait, the very first crime that was committed was you entering his
I
truck.
didn't enter his truck. My arm went in the truck, and I shut the notch off. One thing, I was coming out of the truck. I never went in. To turn off a vehicle?
Yeah, what's up? What's
I gotta go finish tying this down,
okay?
but when I do it, I'm gonna make a lot of noise. That's what I can figure.
That's too bad. You can do your job.
Thanks.
You're fine.
Now, look at the driver here. He's gun-shy about the noise now, asking the officer for permission before he even lowers the loading arm.
Let me get a victim's right pamphlet so I can go ahead and give you home, have him sign it, and yeah, you're back.
Wait, he's the victim?
Yeah.
Are you guys serious? This is like a nightmare right now.
Listen.
He punched me in the face. I don't understand what you guys don't understand about that. I called the cops on him.
I know, but there is no logical reason for you to leave your residence and do what you did today. That's what happened, and that's why we're in this situation.
Logical, because I couldn't stand the noise and I had to get on a phone call at 2:30.
Either way, she's still riding in the back of that cruiser today, and tomorrow she gets to explain to her boss why she missed that 2:30 call.
When he pulled me off of the stairs, like he was holding on to me. He didn't just pull me. He was grabbing my arm and didn't let go. Pulled me down, and he had his hand still on me, and I go, get off of me, and I pushed him in the chest, and that's when he punched me in the face. And I wasn't even in the vehicle. I turned the key. That was it. It's like the smallest thing that
How
you
can you
do.
turn the key without getting in the vehicle is what I'm asking.
Because there's 2 stairs on there, and I just reached my hand in. I didn't have to
That
get
means
up
you went in the
there.
vehicle.
My hand did, yeah, absolutely.
It's not that you went in there to take something or commit another crime, but you weren't supposed to be in there. You had no permission to be in that vehicle. That's trespassing in a vehicle.
Here's where I'll be honest with you about how this actually plays out in court. She's getting charged with a stack of stuff today, but most of those charges need intent to stick at trial. Did she intend to steal his truck? Probably not. Did she intend to trespass into it? Arguably, yes. So, in real life, she's walking away with the trespass and the battery for pushing him.
You see what I'm saying?
I see what you're saying, but I just don't see it that way, and I think it's really, and you can shake your head, and that's
Florida
fine.
state statute says it. I mean, you don't have to see it that way, but that's how it is. And you don't seem to understand it, but we're telling you how it is, and that's what it is.
I just think it's really dramatic.
Take it up with the governor then. I don't know what to tell you. It's Florida state statute. You're not going to change it. Your opinion's not going to change it.
Detain me and
Absolutely.
arrest me
It's our
for
job.
him punching me in the face.
It's our job. What you committed, it's a theft of a vehicle. You deprived him.
Theft?
Hold on a second.
No, I
Hold on
don't
a
even want to
second.
hear you.
You deprived him of his
I'm
truck.
sorry,
It's a
respectfully,
grand
as a
theft.
policeman,
It might.
You're being a real jerk.
No, I'm
Yes,
not.
you
I'm
are.
just holding you
You're
accountable
being
to your
nice.
actions.
No, you're
I'm
being a
holding you
jerk.
accountable to your
You're
actions.
saying I thefted a car.
Yes.
Do you hear yourself?
Technically, yeah.
Do you hear yourself?
All I know.
Here's the legal piece most people miss. The moment you throw the first hand, self-defense is off the table. That's called mutual combat. And by her own version of events, she pushed him first. So even if he had hit her back, and one look at her face will tell you he didn't, she will still be the one riding in the back of the cruiser today.
Wow.
I know. I've been doing
Please
this
don't
job a long
talk to
time.
me. Please don't even talk to me.
Ma'am,
Listen.
Listen, I respect the cops. I do, but that's ridiculous.
At this point, is there any possible way that we can at least put this to the side for a quick second, just to like see maybe you can get somebody to watch the dogs?